In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and analyze a profit and loss statement using QuickBooks Online for the year 2025. This comprehensive guide is designed to help you navigate the QuickBooks Online interface and ensure you get the most out of this essential financial report. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to QuickBooks Online. Open up your Chrome browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, log in using your email and password. This will bring you to your QuickBooks dashboard where you can access all your financial data and tools. Once you're all set up in QuickBooks Online, you need to access the Reports section. Look to the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Reports. Click on that and you'll be taken to a comprehensive list of all the available reports. In the search box at the top, enter profit and loss to find the specific report we're interested in today. Once you see it appear in the list, go ahead and select it to open up the profit and loss report. Now it's time to set the date range for your profit and loss report. At the top of the report, you'll see options allowing you to choose the date range you want to analyze. QuickBooks gives you several preset options such as this month, last month, this year, last year, or if you need something more specific, you can choose custom. Choose the option that best suits your needs and click Run Report to generate your updated profit and loss statement. Once your report is generated, you have the option to customize it further to suit your specific needs. To do this, click on the Customize button located at the top right corner of the page. You'll see options to adjust the rows and columns to display data by month, quarter, or year. You can also use filters to include or exclude certain accounts, classes, or locations, and choose to show or hide any empty rows for cleaner data presentation. After making your desired adjustments, simply click Run Report again to apply these changes. Now it's time to dive into the analysis of your report. Carefully review the key components such as income, the cost of goods sold, expenses, and net profit. Look at these figures not just in isolation, but in comparison to different periods to see trends or spot any anomalies that may need further investigation. Finally, if you need to share this report or keep a copy for your records, QuickBooks makes that easy too. Simply click on the Export button located at the top. Choose between exporting to a PDF or an Excel spreadsheet format depending on what best suits your needs. This makes it simple to save your document or to send it over to your accountant or management team. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently create, customize, and analyze a profit and loss statement in QuickBooks Online, empowering you with the financial insights you need.